Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ruby, and the title of our video for today is cooking shrimp. Wow, just a simple, not a buttered, but a simple one because it's my first time. So yes, without further ado, let's go. So let's do this. So we need to get ready of our fork and the scissor. So we need to wash our hands before to do anything. Yeah? Wet our hands with water. Put the soap on the palm and then do this palm to palm. And after that is the fingers interlock just like that. Then rub the tip. Yes. And after this is we need to rinse. Yeah. And after that is we are ready to do a surgery. So we need to surgery this. Lord, hear our land, hear us, O Lord, hear our land. Forgive our sins. I just wouldn't let them know, so I apologize. You're running into your life, just to take your heart to pieces and you made it burn the night. Leaves will soon grow from the banners of tears, and all will be alright in time. Waves overgrowth from the comets of seas, and all will be alright in time. No, you never really loved someone until you learn to forgive. And I give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. Oh, this feeling, if I don't everything understand, everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know I am. So you're done. You need to heat up the pan. Don't you notice how I've been quiet when there's no one else around? Me and you and awkward silence. Don't you dare look at me that way. I have been reminders of how you don't feel the same. Oh, the burning pain. I still feel your heart about some new soulmate. She's so perfect, blah blah blah. Oh, how I wish you wake up one day, run to me, confess your love, at least just let me say that when I talk to you, Cupid was right through and shoot an arrow through my heart. Lying on my bed, staring into the blue, but it's terrifying. Ha? Luwag man eh. Asa di eh? Kani? Oh. Nakabalo pa dahil ko. Okay na ne. What's a girl to do? Lying on my bed, staring into the blue. Unrequited, terrifying. Love is driving me a bit insane. Confess I loved you from the start. Confess I love you, just thinking of you. I know I loved you. So I forgot to tell you everyone that the first is the oil and the second one is garlic and third one is onion, and right now it is the shrimp.
Bukan kamay. Bak. Ito ni.
We're done cooking, guys. So we're done cooking, guys.
Wala na yung gubay, yung bukos na.
So okay na ne, pag na ne. So we are done. Success tayo. Actually I forgot to bid, no, that put some salt and MSG war, because I don't know what is the English of bitsin. And after that is, as you can see, the ketchup and a little bit of water, because my dad didn't like a lot of water. Yes. I'm hallucinating. job you done on me, sir. You've been hosting parties. In my mind, I am working overtime. You become my whole world. Oh, what a curse it is to be a lover girl. Pa-taste test na ta, guys. If how was
Ayos naman eh. Ang dagko dito, no?
sibog dara kay boss.
Ano ba yun? Sakto ba ng loto?
Yan, sarap.
Yummy.
Sabihin ang tikman natin ang
Tikman natin. Tikman na natin.
Mana natin. Masarap.
ang Pagoda Philippines. Grabe, ang sarap nito.
Sarap nito. Ang galing ang magluto ng aming bibi anak.
Bibi Usara kay basin mo natin panihapon no nan. Gimukbang.
Ang sarap. Marami pa.
Oo, marami pa.
Tikman natin kung anong lasa.
Lasa.
Marasa ganito.
Kain tayo, mga guys.
You'll be hosting parties.
Lasa.
Oh, nandito ko. Umiibig sa'yo. Kahit na nagdurugo ang puso.
Ang sarap.
Baka maubos dito. Sarap. Baka may vlog pa ako nito.
Okay, blood eh, na? I think I need further research.
Sobrang sarap.
Okay. Gimukbang naman eh.
Ang
Mag-dinner pa biya ta. Mag-dinner pa ta.
Sarap talaga. Kaya lang dito na mukha ko yung kamera nakatutok Tutok Tutok ko yun.
Mabagawa dyan ka mag-Tagalog sa mama.
Alisin mo na yan. Baka mamaya naubos na ito.
Mag-Tagalog sa kuno. Okay. Masarap bang aking loto? Minamahal na ina. Minamahal na ina.
Inang kantada. Ang sarap.
Ano ang feedback? Feedback ko sa wait.
Baka maliit na lang matira nito.
Oo, baka nga. Baka siya.
Baka makalabas sa turil, ha?
Kusok. Kilit.
Baka nga, baka wala lang matira nito.
Baka wala na matira. Dari inobos nyo na.
Ang sarap.
Sarap nito.
Ng sayapan. Oh,
Sayapan.
Sayap.
anong pangalan ito?
Pasayan, hipon, shrimp, prawn.
Sarap.
Akala ko sayapan. Sayang,
Ang sarap ng mukbang. Kaya na, Ruby, baka maubusan ka.
Mamaya na siguro ako kayo sa mamaya na mamaya na siguro ako kakain kapag maubos naubos yun. So cute na sa mong kilid, ikatawa ay.
Okay na to.
Okay na to.
Okay, so alright lang.
Okay,
Huwag
so
mong
alright.
ipaubos. Kung ipataas mo agad.
Ipataas mo agad. Huwag mo ipaubos. Ipataas mo agad.
Sarap. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Ay! Kaya mo ni White. Ruby. Ang sarap. Ang yummy, yummy. Bantayin mo lang yung under na ba? Mayami-yami doon ka rin.
Ano man? Bakit? Why? Wait. Wait,
Kaya pala na pumayat si Ate Laila, no? Sobrang payat din ng bago natin siya ulit pinagamot. Na anak rin ang ipinayat niya.
So, that's our vlog for tonight, guys. Because it's already 7 p.m. And then, kakain na po
Siguro
ako.
pagbalik ng Papa
And
Jeans,
yes.
dalhin natin
Oh,
yung
my
konting benta. Kaya ha, huwag ka na matulog sa sahig, ha?
And yes,
Kasi mahirap
I
si
prayed
dati.
that
Nanonood niya ng TV.
this night is all going so well because of the earthquakes that happening now.
Mister ko sa pulo. Ayun.
So that's it.
Namanan niya. Alam ko kasi iba ay
See you on my next
may
vlog.
nakasalamuha siya na may ganon.